So I just opened it and I set it up already. It's working pretty well. I just pressed on it. Everything seems to be working really well. The really cool thing is you can have this water tank this way or you can have it on the side. So it's optional. But yeah. I also love these reusable pods, but my old Keurig looked like this. So if you want to get a reusable pod, make sure you get the one that has the 5 holes in it so that you can make the coffee. I just didn't know. So I just ordered it on Amazon. I got the one that has 5 holes so I can just use it with, I like this hot coffee. It's like loose. But yeah, it's pretty good. I just unpacked it. As you can see, I had to have my first cup of coffee. So yeah, I did a strong blend this time. I've never had a coffee machine that made a strong blend. Like, that's very interesting. And this one goes over ice too. Very excited to try that option as well. Lots of different ounce options here. So nice. It also came with a water filter compartment right here. So it also came with this. One hand. So if you want to put this in, I believe it goes inside, but you have to buy the cartridges. So they go on here, and then I guess you just stick it this way, or it's this, I think it's this way. You stick it this way inside, where you buy the cartridges for the filtering, and yeah, that's basically it. So
I absolutely love this Keurig. It's exactly what I was looking for in size, in color. It looks so cute in my kitchen. This part gets a little dirty underneath here, but I love that you can just take this off, slide it out, take it to the sink, rinse it off, and slide it back in. So far, so good. And I love that it has like the 8, 10, and 12 ounces, 6 ounce too. But I love that I have that option to get a bigger cup of coffee. And I also love that I can take this whole thing to the fridge to fill it up with water. Because the last one I had was a really bulky Keurig and it was really awkward to fill up the water tank. So far so good on this guy. I've got no complaints. Highly recommend. If you're questioning whether or not it's the one for you, go for it. I also love that it turns itself off after a little while on its own after you use it. Get it! You won't be disappointed.
This is the position of the coffee maker before anything is put into the cup holder. Notice how it closes nice and firmly down into place there. Now you take your K-cup and you put it in and you close it down, and it doesn't close all the way. It sits up a little bit. I'm in doubt about that, and I've had failures associated with this, I believe. Also, this here is the new My K-cup, disassembled and impossible to assemble in a tidy way inside this thing. So this has been an exasperating failure. Not only is there design failures, there's manufacturing flaws in this to where we as consumers become the quality control system.